Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic forms in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need just to go to our setup or our Salesforce Lightning setup, and basically we will find it here in this gear icon and click on setup, and after that we will need just to search for the app builder. So here we will go and search for the app builder, and from here we will find this lightning app builder. We click on it, and after that we will find these lightning pages. So from here we can go, and here we will need just to edit our uh, record. So basically in your list of pages you will need just to choose any page that you would like, and after that you click on edit, and basically it will take you to the app builder. So from here we can find these fields, and as you can see those are our fields, and as you can see we will need just to drag fields into a field section or dynamic highlights panel component. The dynamic panels component isn't of course available to all objects but just to some of them, and basically, all you need to do is to go to any field or any records. For example, we can go to this record and we can see if it has some dynamic fields or some dynamic forms. So if we go, for example, for contacts, it supports dynamic related lists. So from here, you can make it a dynamic form. So you will need just to click on upgrade now, and basically it will become a dynamic form, and you can start manipulating it, and you can start choosing from here. After that, you will need just to save your changes, and now you have successfully enabled your dynamic related list or forms for these records, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.